Hello, my name is Carly, and I love to explore AI art. AI art generators, including Midjourney and DALL-E, have opened up a new frontier for creative expression. However, if we allow AI art platforms to just run wild, they probably won't give us the results we want. When you use named aesthetics, the AI is given a clearer context or direction, which more often results in artwork matching your intended vibe or desired visual qualities. In this video, I focus on some of the lesser-known aesthetics that have a heavy impact on guiding the appearance of people in your images, including fashion and expressions. This should be really fun. Even though I personally make use of several different AI art programs, I found that Midjourney is currently the most rich and consistent for proper reaction to named aesthetics and styles. Therefore, I'll use Midjourney for my examples today. Since you might use the aesthetics I show today in other AI art programs, I'd love to hear about your experience and any personal hints in the comments. You'll be able to see the names of all the aesthetics I demonstrate by viewing the timestamp index found in the description area below. Now, we know that AI art platforms can render art differently for a given prompt when you change the canvas aspect ratio. Therefore, I'll provide examples on both portrait and landscape canvas, so you can see some of the differences. In this video, you'll see a total of 72 images, 8-person images for each of the 9 chosen aesthetics, including this 2014 Girly Aesthetic. Enjoy! Acid Pixie. Acid Pixie is influenced by the biopunk, voidpunk, and new goth aesthetics, as well as by independent or alternative music genres. Bright colors and a neon overlay are common in these images. Additionally, Acid Pixie renditions can incorporate the color black. Portrayals of hallucinations may be part of the aesthetic, with characters depicted as nervous or suspicious. Biker. The biker aesthetic refers to a particular kind of style and attitude associated with riders of motorcycles themselves, rather than the bike. The biker aesthetic embodies attributes such as roughness, sex appeal, toughness, and danger. Coquette. The Los Angeles-based wardrobe and fashion stylist, Marissa Ledford, once told People magazine, the coquette fashion trend is about Gen Z's taking on a flirty, soft, hyper-feminine style, which references the Victorian Regency era. Marissa identifies the style's trademarks as whimsical essentials, like milkmaid tops, baby doll dresses, tights, ruffles, and pastel hues. Magewave. Fantasy art from the second half of the 20th century is where the majority of Magewave's inspiration comes from. It may be influenced by psychedelic art and is frequently chaotic, vibrant, and very dynamic. Magewave frequently has graphics related to elemental magic, such as summoning lightning or fire to appear. The Moe style. This Japanese aesthetic, pronounced moe, refers to the subgenre of anime and manga that features sweet and innocent-looking images. Characters who evoke feelings of fondness and affection are referred to by this word, which mainly leans toward cutesy and feminine images. These individuals are the primary focus of the Moe aesthetic. Pastel Goth. Pastel Goth is a style that combines grunge or goth with cute pastel components of the kawaii aesthetic, as well as a dash of boho chic. Black dresses or skirts with pastel designs or accents, studded or spiked jewelry, fishnet stockings or tights, platform shoes or boots, leather jackets or vests, pastel hair, and pastel wigs are examples of pastel goth fashion. Synthwave. Synthwave graphics and colors frequently borrow from 1980s graphics like neon grids, neon lights, and deep sunset colors. Synthwave attire frequently reflects the 1980s retro-futuristic look. Common attire includes wide-shouldered coats, jeans with a high waist, and pastel or vibrant color schemes. Vintage grunge. Styles and activities in the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s provide inspiration for the vintage grunge aesthetic. The aesthetic also combines rebellious, carefree, and nostalgic themes and emotions. The vintage grunge aesthetic sometimes uses items from thrift stores that have a worn-in appearance, such as fading band t-shirts, oversized flannels, ripped trousers, tights with holes, and baggy sweaters. Thank you for reviewing these fun, people and fashion aesthetics with me. I hope a few of the aesthetics have piqued your interest in including them in your prompts. If you gained some benefit from my video, please like it so that I can bring more content your way. I really appreciate all the subscriptions and comments. Feel free to make suggestions regarding future content. Bye bye.